Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. During the hot summer months, we all love our cold treats. It can be fudgesicles, icebox cakes, slushies, floats, granitas, and so on. When it comes to ice cream, I posted over a dozen delicious recipes, and now let's add one more. My blueberry ice cream. Extremely delightful. This easy recipe is perfect for this season. So let's get cooking. In a large saucepan, we'll combine blueberries, some granulated sugar, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll turn the heat on medium, stir well, and bring the mixture to a boil, pressing down on the berries to extract the juice. It's not obvious at first, but you'll see, it gets easier. Besides using the back of a spoon, a potato masher is another way of doing it. When it starts boiling, we'll reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for 3 minutes while continuing to mash the berries. A few minutes later, we'll remove from the heat and strain the mixture through a fine sieve sitting over a large measuring cup. I began doing it on a counter because I was all set up with my camera and lighting, but things start getting quite messy. So I decided to move to the sink, which was certainly the smarter way to go. Alright, so after switching locations, we'll press down to extract as much as we can, and then simply discard the pulp. We don't need it. We should have roughly 1.5 cups of liquid, give or take. Next step. In a saucepan over medium heat, we'll add heavy cream as well as half and half. We'll stir and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer or until it reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm slightly over, but it's okay. Now, let's temper our eggs. Here are 3 egg yolks that have been beaten, and what we'll do now is to pour the heavy cream mixture in a slow stream, whisking constantly. Take your time, don't rush it, otherwise you'll end up with little pieces of cooked eggs. When they're finally tempered after a few ladles later, we'll add them to the milk and whisk continuously for a couple minutes or until the custard's temperature reaches 170 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll remove from the heat, place a fine sieve over the measuring cup where the reserved blueberry liquid is, and strain the custard. I haven't made this recipe for over 15 years, and once again, I had to switch. Not the location, but this time, the bowl. The measuring cup is not big enough. And yes, there's days like this. Anyway, if there's any cooked eggs, of course, we'll discard them. To this, we'll add pure vanilla extract and a couple tiny pinches of fleur de sel. We'll whisk the ingredients until blended and then place a piece of wax paper on top, making sure it touches the surface. This will prevent a skin from forming. We'll let it cool off for about 30 minutes before transferring to the fridge. We'll chill for at least 5 hours or overnight. Later on, or the next day, we'll pour the chilled custard into the bowl of an ice cream maker and process according to the manufacturer's instructions. Mine takes 15 minutes to achieve a nice consistency. We'll spoon the mixture into a 2-quart container, place the lid on, and transfer to the freezer until frozen, which should take a few hours, but overnight is better. And my friends, this is our blueberry ice cream. Delectably delicious, this cold treat is always welcome during the hot summer months of the year. especially if you are a blueberry lover. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!